Hey, my name is Daquan Mitchell. Today, for public speaking, I will be talking to you about the time I flipped my bike and I thought I was going to die. Okay. So, at this point in time right now, I'm probably about 9 to 10 years old. I don't quite remember the age, but I was pretty young. I'm 23, so it was a while ago. Um, and I was at my cousin's house. I always wanted to go, for vacation during spring break time. It was always, the little kids always wanted to go to Columbia to one of our cousins' house for spring break. It was just a good time, fun time. And so it was about 3 days in of spring break, and me and my older female cousin were riding bikes. Now, we done checked out the bike because they had multiple bikes in the garage and checked out the bikes, find the ones that we like, find the ones that work good. So we finally get on the road and we start pedaling down, everything going good. They told us to stay right there near the cul-de-sac. What we want to do, we want to be hard-headed. We want to ride all the way up to the hill. Now keep in mind, their house is already sitting on the hill, so we had to ride down the steep hill to get to the road. To the right was the cul-de-sac. To the left was a hill, to go on out the residence. Um, so we want to be hard headed. Drove all the way up to the top of the hill, to the stop sign. Done told us not to go down there. They done told us multiple times not to race. But what we wanted to do, we wanted to be hard headed. So, hey, we thought we were all macho. I thought I was all macho. Started pedaling. I was winning. I had to. I was winning. Just sitting there pedaling. Next thing you know, I go to press the brakes. Brakes ain't want to work. I kick the pedals backwards. Those brakes didn't work. I used the handlebar brakes. Brakes did not want to work. So I'm sitting here going down this hill, going down this hill. I can see the cul-de-sac coming closer and faster. But the bad thing about it, they used to tell us a story. They said that if you ever go off behind the cul-de-sac, it's like a big pond where nobody ever will find you. Like I said, I'm young. I was like, oh man, I'm about to die. They're not gonna find me. But out of nowhere, somehow, some way, brakes just want to kick on. After me, putting the back pedals in reverse, after me pressing the handlebar, even trying to slide my foot on the ground, nothing wanted to work. And out of nowhere, it just all of a sudden wanted to work. So then the back end lifts up, front end stays on the ground. I go flying. What felt like 1,000 yards, it might have only been like 10 or 15 feet. That's still long enough though. Sitting there sliding across the ground. Now, my cousin doesn't press the brakes far before I flew off the bike. So by the time all this stuff happened, everybody running down the hills, she riding down. They see, I told you not to be racing. I want to be hard headed. I get up, dust myself off, didn't feel no bruises. I looked at the bike, looked at the ground, I saw some of my skin left on the ground. Everybody around me freaking out. I started feeling on myself. I see blood on my hand. Oh, I lost everything. Then it was a hysterical moment, and that's all she wrote. And even till this day, we still talk about it. Hope you enjoyed the story.